One of the key strategies for Pinterest growth is posting consistently on Pinterest. But how do you keep up posting consistently on Pinterest if you don't know how to bulk create pins to publish on Pinterest? On this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how to bulk create multiple pins on Pinterest in less than how many minutes without wasting much time. Okay, so the main reason why people don't keep up posting pins consistently on Pinterest is because they find it so overwhelming creating pins on Canva and also publishing on Pinterest. So yeah, there is always an easy way to do stuff like this. So on this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to post on Pinterest or to create designs and publish them on Pinterest without wasting money. If you want to bulk create on Canva, the first thing you have to do is to first of all design a template that you'll be using to bulk create. So here I have about 5 design already, 5 design or 5 templates that I want to use to bulk create. So once you have gotten your templates, the next thing you're going to do is to go to app by your left hand side on Canva. Click on app. Once you click on app, the next thing you're going to look for is bulk create. Over here you click on bulk create and this is what is going to pop out for you. So once this pops out for you, the next thing you're going to do is to click on enter data manually. All right, so this is what you're going to see once you click on enter data manually. But before then, I want to briefly explain something to you. Whenever you want to bulk create and you have a template, already made template that you want to use to bulk create, always take note of the number of words you have in your design. So for this particular template, I am making use of 4 words. I'm making use of 4 write-up, the number, the power word and other stuff. So altogether is 4. 1 2 3 4. All right, so that when you want to enter your data manually, don't worry, when we get to that point you're going to understand. But take note of this: whichever template you're creating, always make sure that all templates that you're using to bulk create has the same number of words. All right, so let's go back. Click on enter data manually. Once you click on enter data manually, the next thing you're going to see is this. You're going to see a table like this. All right, so what we are going to do, the first thing we are going to do is to name our headings. All right, I'm going to name this particular table number, then this one power word. You can name it anything you want to name it. All right, just power word. And if you want to create another column, you just have to do is to click on add text. All right, once you click on add text, another column is going to be created for you. So here I'm trying to name my columns. I'm trying to give them a name. Okay, all the headings, I'm trying to give them a name. Remember, we have 4 words in our design, and that's the reason why I'm creating 4 columns. All right, we have 1 2 3 and 4, and the first column I named it number, the second column I named it power word, main word and last word. Okay, so if you're creating yours, you mustn't name it the way I name mine. You can just choose anything, just something that you can remember. Then once I am done creating this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on add image. All right, so the topic we are going to be working on today is we are going to be working on 15 body Latina nails for bold and stylish look. All right, so this is the topic we are going to be working on for this particular tutorial. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to ChatGPT. I had already done this off camera. So what I did here on ChatGPT, I told ChatGPT to please generate 10 different pin title and description for a blog post about 15 body Latina nails for bold and stylish look. Include the following keyword. So this keyword, I got it from Pinterest. Then after that, I went on by saying, and I need the title to come in 4 words. Remember, our design has just 4 words including the number. All right, 4 words including the number, so that if ChatGPT is giving me a blog title for that particular topic, it's going to give me just 4 words. All right, so here we have bold. The first topic that ChatGPT gave us is bold body nail Latina nails, trendy Latina body nails. So these are the things that ChatGPT gave me, including the description. All right, so after we have gotten this from ChatGPT, we are going to go back to Canva and include our number. First thing first, we are going to include our number. All right, the number of this particular topic is 15, so we are going to include it. So once you're done including this number, the next thing you're going to do is to go to the next column to include the next word. So we'll go back to ChatGPT to get all the topics. All right, to get all the topics we want. So once you've written your number, the next thing you're going to do is to go to ChatGPT and copy all the words and input them in each of these columns. So that is exactly what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to input everything in all the columns. All right, so you do that to the rest of the topic. All right, you do that to the rest of the topic. So I'm going to input other ones off camera so that the video won't be long. So yeah, after you must have inputted all your title in the column, the next thing you're going to do is to insert image for each and every topic you just inputted in this column. All right, so what we are going to do now is to search for image. Click on your plus icon. Once you click on your plus icon, you select the image you want to use. Before you start doing this thing, it is always advisable for you to download images that you will use for this tutorial. So for this video sake, let's just go with any nail image we want to go for. All right, so once you're done inserting all the image in this column, the next thing you're going to do is to scroll down to where you see done by your right hand side. So click on the done, and here this is where the magic begins. All right, so once you click on done, it's going to bring you back to this place. So the next thing you're going to do is to tap on each and every write-up of your design and connect your design. Okay, connect data. You click on connect data and then connect your number to number. You click on connect data again, connect this. So you make sure you connect every word. All right, just the way you place them. When you're done with the first design, you go to the second design and do the same thing. Connect data, connect number, then connect data, connect to power word, connect data, connect to main word. So this is what you do to all the word in your design. All right, so once you're done connecting, the next thing you're going to do is also to connect your image. All right, your image to, remember we have an image, so you have to also connect your image, not just the word. Always remember to connect your image before any other thing. All right, after you have connected your words, remember to connect your image as well. So yeah, we are done connecting all our words including our image. The next thing we are going to do is to come to your left hand side and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you wait patiently for every design to upload. All right, you can see it's uploading now. Let's see the magic. So right now we have about 50 Pinterest pin designs. So if you notice, after creating your design, you notice that there are some words that are not properly arranged. So what you just have to do is just to adjust them properly to your taste. All right, so yeah, we've been able to create 50 designs, right? We've been able to create 50 designs out of the 5 templates that we created. All right, we've been able to create 50 designs out of the 5 templates that we created. So yeah, this is how you bulk create. So once you've gotten this, the next thing you're going to do is just to adjust the words properly to your taste. This will not take much time, all right, compared to you starting afresh to design your pin. So yeah, that's how you bulk create on Canva.